Good morning, dear children. Welcome to science class. Today we begin with a new lesson. Lesson 5, Food and Health.
Dear children, we all eat different kinds of food every day. Dear children, why do we need food? We need food to live and grow. Food gives us energy to work and play. Food keeps us healthy and makes us strong. Children, where do we get food from? Yes, we get food from plants and animals. Okay. The food we eat cannot be used by the body directly. It has to be broken down into similar substance by the process of digestion. Children, what is digestion? The process of breaking down of food into similar substances is called digestion. The food we eat has special substances which help the body in different ways. These substances are called nutrients, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals are different types of nutrients. First, we discuss about carbohydrates and fats. Carbohydrates and fats are called energy-giving foods. They provide energy to the body. Some foods that are rich in carbohydrates are rice, wheat, potatoes, and sugar. We need very little fat. Extra fat is stored in the body to be used later. Oil, butter, and ghee are some sources of fat. Next nutrient is proteins. Proteins are also called body building foods. They help the body grow and repair the damaged cells. Pulses, milk, cheese, soya beans, eggs and meat are rich in proteins. Next, we discuss about vitamins and minerals. Vitamins are nutrients that keep the body healthy. There are different types of vitamins that are found in different foods. Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K are different types of vitamins. Fruits, vegetables, meat, eggs, grains and cereals are some good sources of vitamins. Vitamin A needed for good eyesight. Vitamin B12 needed for hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is the oxygen carrying pigment in blood which also gives its red color. Vitamin C and E build the body's immune system. Vitamin D gives stronger bones and teeth. Vitamin K helps blood to clot in case of a wound or an injury. Minerals are natural substances such as iron, phosphorus, calcium, sodium, potassium, magnesium, iodine. Foods rich in vitamins and minerals are called protective foods because they protect the body from various diseases. Good sources of minerals is
to these nutrients, the body also needs water and roughage. Water is essential for the digestion of food and other important processes of the body. It helps flush out waste and harmful substances from the body. We must drink at least 8 glasses of water every day. Roughage is the part of the food that is not digested. Roughage helps the waste produced during digestion to pass through the body easily. Whole fruits, pulses, grains, and green leafy vegetables are good sources of roughage. Next, we discuss about balanced diet. What is a balanced diet? Different nutrients have different functions in the body. To remain healthy, the body must have all the nutrients in proper amounts. It must also have adequate water and roughage. A diet that contains all necessary components, water and roughage in adequate amounts for the proper functioning of our body is known as a balanced diet. Next, exercise and rest. Apart from good food, our body also needs regular exercise and proper rest. Regular exercise tones our muscles and makes them strong. Running, cycling, and yoga are good for our body. Okay, my dear children, let's wind up today's class. I think you all understood today's topic, food and health. So, study well. See you on next class. Take care. Thank you.